What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. My name is Joven, and this is where you find the hottest and newest microcap plays in the crypto space. As always, I got a banger for you guys in this one. But before we get into the video, Meme Coin Daily, 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the support on the channel. If you hold the project we're about to cover in this video, Sanin Inu, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Supporting content creators could get this video into the algorithm and get new eyes on the project. And like always, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space because it is very risky and very volatile. We take a look at the DEX tools chart of SANI. We can see, guys, it is such a very stable chart for being a micro-cap play in the space, more for degen play in the space, right? It is so stable, you know what I'm saying? It has so much sideways accumulation, and then it had a huge run when the market was a bit bullish, you know what I'm saying? The SBF Sam Bankman-Fried situation happened, which completely tanked the market. But then, as you guys can see right here, you know, it has constantly been accumulating and made a move to the upside. Now it's coming back down a bit, maybe making a bit of a retrace. But every time I'm on crypto Twitter, huge names in the space like a Crypto Skull, Kirito, and a bunch of other names as well really do see SANI as one of the next big, you know, top dog meme coins going into the next bull cycle. It is performing very well against ETH and BTC, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, guys, it has been so stable of a chart compared, if you compare it to, you know, the bunch of different projects that are launched on ERC20 on ETH every day. It's one of those projects that has been around and has been holding up really well in the bear market, right? You know, in a bull market, everything is going to be bullish. Majority of alts, majority of projects are going to be bullish in a bull market. So I really think SANI could do extremely well in a bull market. The community has been very active. There's a ton of social engagement on Twitter, like I said, you know what I'm saying? There's top names in the space, in the degen space, you know what I'm saying, that are always bullish on SANI. Keep sharing it, especially Crypto Skull. So I really wouldn't rule out a project like SANI doing exponentially well in a bull market, because projects that are micro caps are highly volatile, like extremely volatile, right? They'd have large swings to the downside and large swings to the upside. When they're having those large swings to the upside, it's all psychological. Crypto is very psychological, right? When SANI's having those large swings to the upside, a lot of eyes will be attracted to that. They love buying those green candles, you know what I'm saying? They love investing when they see the project is ascending, you know what I'm saying? So going into a more bullish market, when the market has finally turned around and we could get out of this tough bear market, I see a lot of influencers, a lot of people in the space, not just influencers, but legit people in the space that have great TA, saying this is one of the worst bear markets that we've experienced, and the next bull cycle could be one of the most greatest bull cycles we experience. And a project like SANI, like I said, could do very well when the market is extremely bullish, right? 24-hour trade volume is at 110k in 24-hour trade volume, guys, and it has been around having this great trade volume. Normally, projects that launch, even with the most amount of hype, I can name a few, fizzle out and their trade volume just drop to zilch. You know what I'm saying? 1k trade volume, you know what I'm saying? 24 hours. $5.68 million in market cap, so a 10x to a 100x, you know, 200x for SANI. Can't rule it out, guys. Crypto is very unexpected, you know what I'm saying? Crypto is very unpredictable, so you can't rule out those huge gains for a project like SANI. Now, what is SANI? The Shiba Inu killer, Sanin Inu. Every bull run needs a 100x dog, and we have the safest dog around. Sanin emphasizes financial security, has a 0% buy and sale tax, no pre-sale, no allocated team tokens, and burnt LP tokens. The fate of the project will be decided upon by the community. Welcome to Sanin Inu. Now, a project like Sanin, I really admire their branding, the Shiba Inu killer, you know what I'm saying? When we first saw the Shiba Inu website, what was Shiba branding itself as? The Doge killer, right? You know what I'm saying? Everybody checking out Shiba, they went to the website, they saw Shiba Inu, the Doge killer, then we saw the price goals. You know what I'm saying? Sanin, the Shiba Inu killer. There's gonna be projects that people flock to, especially when crypto Twitter is super bullish on them. There's gonna be projects that people flock to when we get to the the new bull cycle. Just like how Shiba, when Doge and Shiba went on their runs in the last cycle, they weren't the only projects that went on their runs. There's gonna be a few dog coins or degen meme coins in general that go on crazy runs, because Doge and Shiba sent, but there was also Feg, Kishu, Akita, Hawk, you know what I'm saying? Dogecoin Mars, Hoj. There was a bunch of other meme coins that went on crazy runs as well, you know what I'm saying? And Sanin could be one of those dog coins that go on that crazy run for that next cycle, and everybody's just FOMOing in like, yo, I gotta get me some Sanin. Y'all heard about Sanin? Like I said, the community super base is a project that needs the support of the community to get further, you know what I'm saying? And a community is one of the main factors for a project's growth. Once the community is based, there's no telling how far the project could go. After doing my research into SANI, the community is super based, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, you can't rule out a project like SANI. When we compare Shiba started from nothing at a 5k 10k market 10k in liquidity, right? And because the community of Shiba was so based, the community is what really pushed it forward before they even started getting any utility to Shiba. It's only like recently that they started to unveil utilities. Shitoshi started to unveil utilities for Shiba, right? It basically had zero utility. It was just the community and the hype behind the last bull cycle, Doge being one of those projects with zero utility as well. But the community was so active, so engaged, so based. It just sent those projects and the others, like I mentioned, to the next level, you know what I'm saying? Same thing I picture for SANI, because like I said, the engagement, the social engagement that I see on social media platforms, especially Twitter, is very active for SANI. Anytime I'm scrolling through, I see some tweets on SANI, and they're getting like 100, 200 likes, retweets, you know what I'm saying? So very, very active. Something you should definitely keep your eye on, guys. Now SANI also has DeFi utility, you know what I'm saying? It's great to see, because right here we have the Sanin farm. You could access it right here from the website, and they have a sister project called Tail that is doing very well with the different APR percentages, where you could stake 12% on your SANI, which is very good APR, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy, nothing super inflated, you know what I'm saying? And if you look at the TVL, $2 million in TVL. There's some layer 1 blockchains that I know of, you know what I'm saying, that are supposed to be great altcoins that don't even have 100k TVL yet, and SANI, such a micro cap play, has $2 million in TVL, right? It is absolutely great to see what has been done here for SANI, right? And you have different pools as well. You could stake your Tail and ETH LP, liquidity pool mining, Tail and SANI LP, SANI and ETH, you know what I'm saying, 170%, adding more liquidity to SANI. And we already know whales love liquidity. I really do think you can't fade this project. Now we're at the official Twitter of Sanin, 3,860 followers, which is pretty good. Community run project, you know what I'm saying? Remember guys, it's baby steps. Nothing starts off huge unless it has, crazy funding. Nothing starts off huge unless it has crazy funding. A lot of these projects started very small, started at very humble beginnings before they grew up to be a monster in the space. Huge monster in the space. It just takes time, right? Some of the followers that follow the project I follow as well, like Gandalf and Jama, Lil KG, HC Trades, Crypto Skull, especially Rodney, you know what I'm saying? Very, very legit names in the space, guys. Crypto Matt, you know what I'm saying? Crypto Wolf, Crypto General, B Roots, Bart Baker, the Serum Dev, you know what I'm saying? Very legit names. Follow Sanin, guys, you know what I'm saying? You gotta take a look, you know, do your own research, look into things like this. We have a tweet from the official Sanin Twitter. There's something about a magical December month, and we could see Sanin and Tail moving to the upside. Another tweet from the official Sanin. I can't wait to rub Sanin in the face of all the doubters. Say it again, let them hear you. If you only knew of the secrets that lie beneath. And we have a video right here showcasing the NFTs, you know what I'm saying? Pretty great looking NFTs as well, you know what I'm saying? The customization and everything looks very good. And like I said, with the social engagement, 102 likes, 35 retweets. It's very bullish stuff to see, man. All community run, all community driven. As long as you guys, as the Sanin community, keep pushing, man. Keep putting in that work. Don't give up. Don't give up. You know what I'm saying? Keep spreading the word, right? It's gonna do wonders in the future for the project. I'm telling you guys, man. Crypto, I'm telling you guys, it don't matter if you can have the best technology in the space. If nobody knows about the project, it's gonna flop. You know what I'm saying? That's just how it is. But if the project has some type of appeal, some type of family coming together type of drive, you know what I'm saying, there's gonna be people that's gonna be like, oh man, maybe I should get in the Sani community. They seem so base, man. Everybody's talking about this Sani. What is this? What is that project? You know what I'm saying? And then curiosity, they're inquisitive. They check it out. They like, okay, this is cool. I'll take a chance on this. And then you just have that. It multiplies as time goes on. As you guys keep putting in that work for the project, it multiplies. And then, you know, we have that exponential growth in the future. And one more tweet from Jabroni. Sani has over 2 million TVL on his Sani farm. That is, like I said, guys, that is very bullish. Like I said, there's some altcoins that are layer ones that don't even have 100k in TVL, right? You guys have 2 million. That's great. You know what I'm saying? That is something you could write home about. How many bullish aspects can one project have? This is your captain speaking. Better strap in. Sanin is preparing for takeoff, and he has it highlighted right here. You know what I'm saying? Ready for that move to the upside. I'm telling you guys, man, as soon as that market turns around, as soon as we get bullish, you know, I feel like it's over with for Sani. Like, it's gonna send to these crazy levels. You know what I'm saying? People ain't gonna be ready for it. You know, one of the degen plays that has a lot of stability, community, super base, great whales, you know what I'm saying, diamond hand community. This is what you like to see in a project. Sanin Army, if you made it to the end of the video, can't thank you guys enough. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get this video into the algorithm. My last Sanin video is almost at 1,000 views. You guys could go and support that one as well. I'd really appreciate it, guys. Everything Sani and myself will be down in the description. If this is your first time hearing about Sani, let me know what you think in the comments section. Let's have a discussion in the comments. Thank you guys once again so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.